Alright guys, welcome to the Tuesday Directions video. Pretty simple day today. Um, if you are an online distance learner, or if you're a temporary online distance learner, you will see this right here. And again, this goes off of my roster that I have. So if one of you is at home and you're temporary distance learning, but you haven't contacted the school to change your status yet, then you're not going to see this. And so email me if that's you. If you're at home distance learning, and the school hasn't updated your status, basically, if you don't see the Chapter 3 quiz, just email me and I will email you the quiz. Obviously, we'll have the Tuesday or the Monday, Wednesday people taking the quiz who are in person. The Tuesday, Thursday people took it yesterday, so they're just working on missing work today. And once you guys finish the quiz today, your assignment is just to get missing work done. Because again, tonight at midnight is the cutoff for missing work for my class. So if you turn something in tomorrow, 12:05 a.m., it's not going to count. Okay? You've had the whole trimester to get late work in, and I've let you guys basically know a month ahead of time when the cutoff is. So if you can't get that done, that's kind of your deal. If you don't take the quiz, again, if you take the quiz after 3 p.m., well, it's late, so now you can only get 70% as the highest. So it's open notes though, open notebook, so go for it. You have all the notes there. Use it to help you out. So that's it. Just taking the quiz after we're done working on missing work, because again, missing work is due tonight at midnight. Good luck, everybody, and I will see you guys tomorrow.